Hello, and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be showing you how to quickly add color to your rulers. But first up, we wanted to show you the latest ruler in our collection, and it is a zero centering 6-inch ruler. And that zero centering is so nice for adding things to your cards. Now here's a comparison to the original 6-inch ruler, which I just love. Now, these rulers are created by our friend Courtney at Scrapbook and Memories, which is one of our incredible brick and mortar stores in Missouri. So if you are ever in Missouri, you definitely need to check her store out. And thank you to Courtney for making such amazing rulers. Here you can see a comparison to our zero centering 12-inch ruler, our 6-inch ruler, and now our zero centering 6-inch ruler. Now, the etchings on the back of these are white, which is really great when you're looking at colored cardstock like this. But sometimes I kind of wish that there was color on my ruler. And the cool thing is you can add color really easily. So we're going to take some acrylic paint, which you could pick up at your local craft store. We'll add some here to the craft mat. We have flipped the ruler over, so we are adding the ink to the back of the ruler. We're going to pick it up with a foam ink blending tool and smear the ink onto the ruler. Now, you could use a makeup sponge or any other kind of spongy item to smear this on, but these little foam ink blending tools are something I have in my craft room, and they're super, super easy to do. So we're just going to smear that paint on, and then we're going to take a dry paper towel and buff off any of the excess. Now, these rulers are etched, so that means the paint is staying in the etching, but we can buff off any of the extra, and now we have a custom fun color added to the ruler, and it looks absolutely amazing. The other thing I love about doing this is that you could use your favorite color. So if your favorite color was pink, for example, or purple, you could add it to your ruler. Over here at Lawn Fawn, we of course love teal and we love green. So for this next ruler, we're going to be using some green acrylic paint. So we're going to add that green there. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pick up that green acrylic paint with the foam ink blending tool and just smear it right on to the ruler, getting it in all of those etched edges there, all of those little guides on the ruler. And I love all of the tick marks that they have on this ruler. It makes it super easy for lining things up or measuring things as you're making cute projects. So now we've got our dry paper towel again, and we're just buffing off the color. And now we have a custom colored green ruler, which is my personal favorite. I just love how it looks. It looks amazing. And I just love the little phrase on these rulers because you know what? You are awesome beyond measure, right? It's always nice to have a little encouragement throughout the day. Now, you may like a little bit more of a classic color here. So here we have some black acrylic paint. Once again, we've got our foam ink blending tool and we're smearing that paint in. And this is going to give us kind of a black, almost kind of gray look into the etching. And so we're going to add this all over the ruler, and then we can buff it off with our paper towel. And then doesn't that just look amazing? I think it looks absolutely incredible. Super, super easy to see, especially on different colors of cardstock. Here we've got it on some mermaid cardstock. You can see it on white, how great it looks. And here's a comparison between the 3 rulers that we created. I think these are so much fun. It's really just a fun little project to do. And I would love to hear if you're going to keep your ruler the original color, or if you're going to add color, what color it might be. So make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!